Hi there, this is Diecast channel, and in this video I'm going to show you this 1968 Dodge Dart. This is a very nice car made by Highway 61 in a 1/18 scale, so if you like those Mopars, don't miss this video. And please don't forget to give me your like, to subscribe my channel, and click the bell for news. So let's unbox it and take a better look at it. And here we have the Dart. This is a burgundy red 1/18 scale 1968 Dodge Dart GTS. As we look at the front of this car, we can see that this grille is actually a grille. The front is very realistic, as we see the whole front, the headlights and auxiliary lights, the grille and the trim, everything is fantastic, really. The auxiliary light and the headlight is perfect. The grille, the mesh, and the chrome trim around it. Fake air intakes, which were typical of 1968. GTS logo, windshield wipers, and the windshield. That looks very nice. A black dashboard with a white interior with a factory sticker. It looks really very realistic. And as we open the hood, we can see this engine, which seems to be a 340. It's a very nice engine. This car really looks fantastic. It looks awesome. The hoses, the alternator, cables and wires, radiator, the radiator cap and hoses, battery with the cables, water reservoir, the engine bay itself, which is very well made and very precise, very accurate comparing to the real car brake system. The hood itself, hinges. This car looks very fantastic, and the hood closes correctly, as we see here. The interior of this car looks very nice. Vent windows open and close. That's typical of Highway 61. Door handle is a separate piece, as well as this door alignment is good. GTX logo and a trim around the wheel well. Wheels and tires. And open the passenger door, we can see the door panels, seats that tilt, look very nice. A cushioned floor mat and a carpet, a central console, the dashboard looks really realistic. Glove compartment with an opening lid, headliner with sun visors, very accurate and very realistic. One more look at the seats, and tilting it in front, we can see the back seats with the seat belts. And closing the door, we see it's very well adjusted. This color is really cool. I think it's a burgundy, metallic burgundy, I'm not quite sure. The stripes, 68 stripes, GTS logo. Rear of a car, very nice taillights, very realistic. And this trim on the trunk. Tail lights look very realistic, look very nice, very accurate. Both of them are very well made, and the trunk and the trunk trim. And opening the trunk, we can see the floor mat, gas pipe, the jack, and all details inside the trunk. Instructions for using the jack. The trunk lid itself, which is very good and closes very well. One more look at the side. Quarter panel. Looks very good. Lines of this car are very nice. I like the Z bodies. And as we open the front door, the driver's door, we can take one more look at the interior. The steering wheel, the door panels, seats, on the dashboard, headliner, instruments, speedometer with horizontal scale, pedals. One more look at the seats. The white seats look fantastic with this color. And door closes correctly. Front fender, one more look at the GTS logo and the front blinker. And as we look at the base, the bottom of this car is very nice. It's a unibody with front suspension, body color and primer, just like the other Mopars. Turnable drive shaft, it spins around, and the mufflers, front suspension, steering bar, the engine and tranny, gas tank and the mufflers, rear suspension and wheels and tires that look very nice, very realistic, the brake system, the engine in the right color, starter. I think this car looks awesome. I really like Dodge Darts, and I like those Highway 61 model cars. So from 0 to 10, I would give this car a 10, not only because it's Dodge Dart, it's an A-body, which I really appreciate, but also because it's a very well-made model car by Highway 61, as usual. So I'd like to thank you for all likes and views, for all comments. Please don't forget to give me your thumbs up, to subscribe my channel, and to click the bell for news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.